Best tattoo stencil printer. If you're preparing for a tattoo, planning is critical. You only get one chance to get things right. So creating a stencil is the key to perfection. This is true even in the case of temporary or henna tattoos. People often get these tattoos for special occasions. They might be temporary, but the wedding pictures are as permanent as any ordinary tattoos. Once again, if you want everything to go smoothly, it's important to have a stencil. Which one is the best? Let's take a closer look at the features and see what we uncovered. Number 5. TATELF Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine. The Tattoo Thermal allows the tattoo artist or professional to copy designs onto stencil quickly and effectively in few easy steps. This Tattoo Thermal printer weighs 1.6 kg or 3.5 lb. Has fast transfer printing speed, low heat, low noise, and stable performance. You can check out the reviews and ratings of these tattoo machines. Number 4. BMX Black Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine. This copier allows the tattoo artist or professional to copy designs onto stencil paper quickly and effectively in a few easy steps. The tattoo stencil machine is not suitable for the pattern with complex shadow and only can show the single effect. It is recommended to transfer the lines and simple patterns, which can achieve best effect. To have better transfer effect, the machine should rest for a few minutes after 1 or 2 sheets transfer. Number 3. LifePace's Tattoo Stencil Transfer Machine. LifePace's Tattoo Stencil Thermal Machine allows you to take your design straight from the original drawing to stencil paper in a few easy steps. Then you can transfer it onto the skin, saving time and money. Lightweight, simple, reliable copier that will make your life easier. This thermal transfer machine is reliable and affordable and a necessity for any tattoo shop. Stop tracing your outline by hand, and you don't need to spend 30 minutes tracing an outline anymore. Number 2. Black Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine. Tattoo Thermal Copier allows the tattoo artist or professional to copy his design onto stencil paper quickly and effectively in a few easy steps. This printer is lightweight and can be quickly moved and easy to store, gives you more convenience. You can make the tattoo creation anytime, anywhere as you like. This tattoo printer has fast transfer printing speed, low heat, low noise, and addable performance. Made by ABS material, which is environmental, safe, and durable for long-term use. Number 1. Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine Copier Printer. This tattoo printer has fast transfer printing speed, low heat, low noise, and attainable performance. Copy the design onto the transfer paper easily and quickly. For better transfer effect, the machine should rest for a few minutes after 1 or 2 sheet transfer. Package includes 1-piece tattoo thermal copier, 1-piece power supply cable, and the instruction book. Can be used only to transfer line graph, cannot be used with patterns with lots of shading parts.